Guys, welcome back. So today we are going to do a fridge clean out and reorganization. So for the most part, I usually try to do this about once a month. Sometimes it's more often, sometimes it's less. It kind of depends what we have going on. Maybe sometimes it gets a little crazy and I got to do it more often. But for the most part, I usually stick to about once a month. So the first thing I do is I go through and I just pull everything out off of the shelves and get everything cleared out and separated onto the counters so I can kind of see what we have and then I can start cleaning. So once everything is out and the shelves are empty, I go through and I wipe everything down with a wet rag. I clean up any little spills that we might have had and get the crumbs out and just get everything nice and clean and fresh. Then I will go through and check to make sure if we have anything expired or anything that's going bad, and I will get rid of that before I start putting everything back. Drinks I don't usually remove and wipe underneath as often. I will sometimes, but I don't do it every month. Usually I will just straighten them out, restock, and reorganize. For the fruit and veggie drawers, I will go through and look to see if we have anything that's going bad or starting to rot, and I will make sure that I get those things thrown away, and then I will empty out the drawers and wipe them all out. You tend to get a lot of little leaves, and sometimes, especially in the veggie drawer, you get some rot in the bottom of the drawers, so I like to wipe those out with a wet cloth, get them all clean, and then I will put everything back. In the deli drawer, I like to do the exact same thing. I take everything out, wipe it all down, and then put it all back nice and neat. I will go through, do some last finishing touches, and wipe everything down to make sure that it is all clean. And there is the after. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you liked it. If you did, please leave a like and make sure to subscribe. I would really appreciate if you did. It really helps my channel grow. Also, make sure you leave a comment on how often you clean out your refrigerator, or if you have any tips or tricks to help me for the next time I decide to do mine. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it, and I will see you in the next one.